Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl KturaKay, and today I'm going to be doing a video on the MAC Cosmetics and Jeremy Scott collection that recently came out. So I'm not gonna get into the review, so I don't want to really talk too much about it, but you definitely want to watch. So yes, this is going to be a review / tutorial on how to use these products, and I also want you all to stay tuned. I have a special announcement at the end of this video, and yeah, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't already, and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. So yeah, so without further ado, we don't want to keep rambling because this video is going to be long enough, and I'm going to be telling it like it is, like seriously. So let's get started. So here I am going to take my eye primer and a brush. I already have my foundation and stuff applied, so I'm going to take that primer and go over my eyelid, and I'm going to do that to both of my eyelids. So now I'm going to take the palette that came in the collection, and I'm going to, it's so many colors, but I just didn't know which one I wanted to pick, so I'm going to try this purple, and you will see me talk about how that purple went a little bit later. But now I'm putting on a nice pretty gold color, like one of the only colors that I actually liked or actually worked for me. So I'm placing that on my eyelid, and I'm just packing it on, and then I'm going to take some of the other colors in the palette. You'll see me point to them here, and I'm going to blend out my crease. And the colors that I'm using here are matte shades. So I'm just going to keep blending. And I'm going to keep taking it. I'm going to take a darker color now, and I'm going to deepen out the crease a little bit more. And that's that. I'm going to add my liner. I don't know how I feel about these shadows. Like, I'm just sitting here like, really? Like, that's how I feel right now. Like, really? Like, really, MAC? Like, that's how I feel. And this palette is beautiful. Like, I love the packaging. It was very creative, but overall, like, I feel like these shadows are not up to par. Like, I have a high standard for MAC, mainly because I used to work there. I know the product, I know the brand, and I know they don't settle for less. But these products here, being that this palette was over $75, I believe that, and I paid for this with my own money, which I do with all of my MAC products. I don't get a discount, don't get anything. So I just honestly don't feel like this is worth it. If you're a collector like I am, like I like to collect makeup, I like to collect limited edition things, very creative things, yeah, I would get it then. But overall, like, if you're trying to get some use out of this, I can't even really see myself picking this palette up to use it. So, like, y'all saw me try to put that, I literally tried to wear this color. I wanted to do like a purple smoky eye. A fail, epic fail. I had on an eye primer, I tried to pack it on, it literally went on so blotchy and patchy. Like, look, I'll show you right here. So I'm honestly very disappointed. Like, I wanted to do something different, but of course the gold shadow, it looks beautiful, but it's something, it looks like something that I already have, multiple palettes that I already have. So it's just like, you know. So y'all, I've never been like this upset about like a palette. Like, I don't think I have in my entire makeup career. Like, but yeah, I'm not really feeling it. We're gonna try the lip palette after this. We'll see how the lip palette works, which I love lipsticks, so I'm pretty sure the lip palette will be great. So yeah, if I had to spend my $75 again, I wanted to review this for you all, but if I had to do it all over again, I wouldn't even waste my time getting this, you know. But hey, yeah, like MAC shadows are usually so good, but I feel like that quality in some of these colors and some of these shades are very chalky, and they are not up to standard. Like, they're not. Another thing, like y'all saw me use that gold. Like, look at that shadow. It's almost like a hole right up there at the top where I took my brush and was packing it in to get the product out. So that really is kind of pissing me off, because it's already breaking and it's almost about to hit pan almost, you know. So that kind of ticked me off. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. I have a nice little look going here, so I'm gonna just add my I'm gonna add my liner and my lashes, of course, and we're gonna move on to the lips after I finish. I'm gonna actually try to add a pop of color here under my eyes. So we're gonna just take my brush that I've been using, and we're going to add some of that orange and that red that I was using earlier, and put it down here. And I'm gonna do a little bit of that darker color too that I put here in the crease. So one other thing that I don't like, this gold is like, I started blending, you know, some golds will stay in place. I started blending and it started blending all upward, like into my crease, and I just hate it. I hate it, and that's a strong word. I do not like it at all. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving. The show must go on. So hey, I know plenty of people we have, I like how your eyeshadow turned out. Girl, keep it moving. It can always be fixed. So I'm gonna go in now with my liner and my lashes, and I will be right back.
And this is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. So now I'm taking my lip liner and I'm lining my lips, and I'm gonna talk about that also. This is Cyber World by MAC, in case you want me to repeat it again. And I'm just lining my lips, and I'm going to go in with the lip palette next.
So this is their lip kit that I was telling you about. Kind of small for my liking, but it is great for on the go. But still, like, it's kind of almost the same size as like one of the lip palettes that MAC sells, like the Pro Lip palettes. 9 colors, which is the same as the other one. It has 9. So, and these are a lot smaller. So like I said, basically here you're paying for the packaging with this Jeremy Scott and MAC collection. Yeah, so that pretty much sums it up. Like, this package is quality, like literally quality. Like, I know they spent some good money on this packaging. It's dope. I'm not even gonna lie. It's very creative. The idea was on point, and everything was on point as far as packaging, but the product and the quality is not my fave. Like, I'm just really disappointed. Honestly, I'm disappointed. Being a MAC girl, like, once you're a MAC girl, you're always a MAC. Being a MAC girl, I'm like, dang, like, I'm disappointed. So that's just my personal opinion. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. If you love the collection, great. Like I said, I love the packaging, and I'm not trying to bash them or anything like that, but I really think they could have done better. They could have given us more product instead of mainly focusing on the packaging. I feel like this could have been I don't know, they could have, look at all of this space here. That could have been more colors, you know? Like, I know they wanted to make it look like the volume, like how volume looks when you're looking at a radio, like turning it up like that, but like, seriously, like, they could have made the squares a little bit bigger and still got that same effect, but come on, like, really? Like, really? But anyways, so I just lined my lips with Cyber World by MAC, one of my faves. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to these colors, and of course these colors are, some of these are the classic colors. I see Violetta on here, Morange, and that's about it. The rest are different. I think Breathing Fire is one, I can't remember, but they all look similar to the colors that MAC has, you know, on a regular basis. So don't feel bad if you didn't get to get this, if it's sold out. I don't even know if it's sold out yet, because I kind of got it like the second day or the first day it came out, just so I could do a review for you all. But yeah, don't feel bad if you didn't get your hands on it, unless you're a package freak, and you love like limited edition stuff. But let's do that because I love violet and I haven't worn it in ages. Like I don't even remember the last time I put on a purple lipstick, like seriously. So I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna brush it off, and I'm gonna dip that in there in Violetta, and I'm gonna go in. Violet is such a pretty color though, I'm not even gonna lie. Like I love MAC's Violet. Like MAC has some really nice lip colors. Some of them are dupable, so if you can't afford or you don't want to spend money or too much money on a lipstick, when I was there it was like $18. I think they went up to $18. I don't know, they probably have gone up now because it's been over a year since I resigned. But yes, I'm doing Violetta. I'm gonna take this color here, like this orangish reddish color here, and a little bit of this pink, and I'm gonna add a little blush, and then we're gonna call it a dizzy, honey. Okay, I still want to add a little blush to the cheeks. So you can always use eyeshadow as a blush, because I wanted to show you all like a full face look using these products. And you can also, I'm gonna go in with this really pretty gold color that I use on my eyelid, and I'm gonna use it as like a highlighter. So I add a little bit of that. Palettes can be used for different things, not just as eyeshadow, even though it says like an eyeshadow palette. So you see I added a highlighter and a blush, but with this eyeshadow palette. So as you see, I was able to complete my eye look, complete my cheeks, highlight, and my lips using the Jeremy Scott and MAC Cosmetics collaboration. But like I said, I probably don't even see myself picking up this palette again. Maybe once every blue moon. So just my honest opinion. Like y'all know I'm still a MAC girl, I love MAC, but this one just didn't do it for me. So let me know what you all thought about the collaboration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I have that huge giveaway coming up. Give me a thumbs up if you love getting your money's worth when you're buying makeup. Like I'm getting older, so I'm just starting to be a little more wiser when it comes to making purchases, and it's just like, you know, you gotta really think about what you're buying. Like, is it worth it? Like, how many times am I going to use this? How many times am I going to wear it? How many, like, am I going to get a good use out of it? So think about that before you make any makeup purchases. And yeah, so like I buy stuff so I can come on here and show you all and, you know, give you all my honest opinion. So I will see you all in the next video, and I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all again for watching, and see you all later. Bye. Like I got some falsies on, chill. I love it.